Hi everyone, my name is Claudia Iriarte and today I would like to share with you the lesson plan that I did. The topic that I chose is rules and laws, and the objectives for this lesson plan will be students will be able to identify the strengths and weaknesses of a school rule. Students should be able to decide if a rule is clear, if it accomplishes its purpose, and if it protects the rights of others. Students should be able to explain the purpose of rules and laws and why they are important. This lesson plan will be developed for second grade. This is a group of 20 students. They are between 7 and 8 years old. The standard is related to individual development and identity. Here you can see each one of the stages of the lesson plan. For the warm-up, students will watch and listen a storytelling video called Bella's Rules. And this story is about a girl who has learned rules that should be followed at home, and she will also teach rules to her new pet. Um, I will show students the title of the story, and I will ask them to predict where they think the story takes place in order to check their comprehension. For the presentation, I will ask questions like the title of the story, their opinions about if this is a true story or a make-believe story. And I will record their answers on the board, and I will discuss characteristics of fact and fiction stories with them. And I will list examples, the examples that they will give on the board. And for the practice, I will ask students to share examples of rules they follow at home or in different places like school or other places. And I will ask questions related to the content, like what is a rule, why do we have rules, how are rules made, who makes the rules, what are some of the consequences of not following rules, and I will record their answers on chart paper. For the production task, I will have students work in pairs and discuss school rules they know. They will draw a Venn diagram on construction paper with two circles overlapping to each other, and they will label them as kids' rules and parents' rules because they will identify and record examples of each one of the categories in order to compare and contrast both of them, trying to find similarities and differences between them. And for the assessment, I will keep in mind both of the types of assessment, formative and summative. For the formative assessment, I will keep in mind their participation, their understanding and following instruction, and their interaction with peers. And for the summative assessment, I will keep in mind the Venn diagram done by pairs. And as a conclusion, I can say that this lesson plan is made to help students understand rules and how they are important in order to become ourselves as good citizens. And with this lesson plan, students will have the chance to make the relationship between the content and their own environment. I really appreciate your attention. Bye.